Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to draw a Volkswagen Jetta. First, let's start with the basic shape. Lightly sketch a long, low rectangle for the main body. Then, add a slightly smaller, angled rectangle on top for the cabin. Think about the car's overall length and height to get the proportions right. This initial framework is crucial for a balanced drawing. Now, let's refine those initial lines. Gently curve the top of the main body for the hood and trunk areas. Next, draw 4 circles for the wheels, making sure they are roughly the same size and spaced appropriately along the bottom of the car. Remember to add the wheel wells, which are the curved openings above each wheel, connecting them smoothly to the car's body. Moving on to the details, let's define the windows. Draw the windshield, rear window, and side windows within the cabin area. Then, focus on the front and back of the car, adding the distinct headlights, taillights, and the Volkswagen grille. Don't forget to include the door lines and side mirrors to give your Jetta a more complete and recognizable appearance. Finally, let's bring your Jetta to life with some shading. Use varying pencil pressure to create shadows under the car, within the wheel wells, and along the body lines. This adds depth and makes your drawing pop. Highlight areas where light would naturally reflect, like the top of the hood or fenders. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.